Blocking in real life, a fascinating possibility. Picture this, you're walking down a busy city street, but instead of seeing everyone, you see only those you want to. How liberating that could be. In that scenario, the human interaction dynamic would change dramatically. Instead of avoiding people you don't want to see, you just simply block them. This isn't pure science fiction. Technologies are currently under development that might make this possible. Imagine wearing glasses that allow you to filter your real-world view. Augmented reality technology could potentially allow us to create custom filters for our own reality. Just like you block someone on social media in this reality, you could block them from your view. But what would the psychological effects of such a choice be? Would we become more isolated, or would it help us focus more on the people who truly matter to us? Consider also the ethical implications. If we block somebody, they become invisible to us, but they can still see us. Could this be a new form of power imbalance? Despite the potential benefits, such a concept brings up serious questions about privacy and surveillance. Do we really want tech companies to have access to our personal block lists? Furthermore, what if we start blocking everything that's unpleasant? Does it not risk creating an echo chamber where we only interact with like-minded people, shutting ourselves away from diverse perspectives? Let us also consider the societal implications. Could this lead to further division and isolation among communities as we choose to see only those we agree with? Shaping our reality to suit our preferences can be tempting, but it's important to remember that dealing with difficult people and situations is part of what makes us human. As we stand on the brink of this fascinating possibility, it's crucial to weigh the benefits against the potential drawbacks. As technology continues to evolve, so too must our understanding and regulation of it. Blocking in real life, a fascinating possibility, a world where your reality is truly yours. But at what cost?